Hello everyone, this is CS Vlogs. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing and please don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified for my latest videos. So today I am gonna review the Honda Hornet 160R CBS model. It is offered in two variants, the single disc and dual disc with CBS, and four color schemes. The ex-showroom price is 86,120 while the on-road price is 1,02,624. The bike is a stylish offering from the Japanese manufacturer. The bike has got a muscular tank with attractive graphics. It has got a 162.71cc engine and is powered by 15.25 bhp at 8500 rpm and has got a peak torque of 14.76 Nm at 6500 rpm. It has got a fuel tank capacity of 12 liters. The bike has got a full digital meter. Now let's take a look at the brakes. The front brake is 276 mm while the rear brake is 220 mm. Coming to the tires, and it weighs 142 kgs. It has got an aggressive headlight. One of the unique features of the bike is the X-shaped LED tail light. The bike has got a side exhaust. Let's hear the exhaust note. Before ending this video, let's take a look at the pros and cons of the bike.